Hi, I'm Maria, COO and also the co-founder of Artano.
Hello, I'm Matt. I am the CEO and co-founder at Artano. Milo?
Milo, you're on mute.
Hi, Milo here, the marketing lead of Artano and a video call expert, obviously. Thank you for taking the time to come and join us today.
Artano is a community-curated NFT marketplace on Cardano, where artists and collectors decide the direction of our platform.
We are building a sustainable, inclusive, and diverse solution that is growing and innovating the NFT space, focused on supporting artists and collectors.
We collaborated on art tech projects, including London Fashion Week, and we minted INFTs with top artists and galleries.
We wanted to reach out to the Cardano community and explain what we are working on to better the space that we all know and love.
So we need your help to gather funds to create smART, which is a programmable NFT minter that requires no prior knowledge about the blockchain or programming.
This would really help artists that want to show their work on our platform, but just don't know how minting an INFT works.
And now we get to the fun part. We are pushing the boundaries of how artists use blockchain technology. For example, we have infinite NFTs or INFTs, which are transforming the way an artist can communicate with their global audience by creating dynamic digital tokens that evolve over time.
Ooh, can I show them some examples?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, great. So this is Pigeon Hodl. It was amazing. First, you get an egg, and then after like a day, it hatches a little bit, and then after 48 hours, you get this beautiful little pigeon from their collection. And this is done with Bionic artist Victoria Modesta and the amazing, amazing designer Sam Goodyear for Modern Mirror. The INFT works in day and night cycles. That's when it changes. And it was in Vogue.
It was Vogue business.
Well, that's what I said.
Anyway, we want to make this minting option available to inspire artists all around the world and also make it available to those that have no coding experience at all.
So here's how it'll work. An artist will select a day and night version of their NFT, upload 2 images of them, and then they would select the exact time of the day when the NFT will transform. And voila, this is the simplest form of INFTs.
By going to vote on our project.
We are asking for $68,800 to expand our team and start working on it as soon as possible.
We really, really appreciate all the help we got from the community so far, and this is what keeps us going. And to further our vision, we want to make Artano just the way you want it to be.
Guys, what if we don't get the funds? Oh.
So that's kind of it. That's our pitch. It's all up to you now, and even if you decide not to support our project,
Thank you for your time.
thank you.
Thanks, but go vote.